This is a basic tutorial applying the Vive Teleportation system into the Maison Domino model. There are 4 general requirements. Download the Vive Teleporter project developed by Adrian Biagoli from GitHub. Copy the Vive Teleporter and the Steam VR assets into your current project asset folder. Import or update any packages. At the time of this tutorial, you need the OpenVR API. Build the navigation mesh for all your navigable surfaces in your model. To review building the navigation mesh, select your navigable surfaces, go to the Navigation tab, make sure that Navigation Static is checked. Then go to the Bake tab and set the size of your agent, which is 0.2 and 1.83, then bake. The blue mesh that you see here is the navigation mesh. There seems to be a hole there that I don't like, so I will make the radius of my agent smaller, build again, and now I have an adequate navigable mesh for the project. You can drag and drop the from within the Vive Teleport Master in the Assets folder. You can drag and drop the Steam VR and the Vive Teleporter assets into your Assets panel in the Unity engine. Wait for them to copy and to load. First thing, select the main camera and delete. Under Assets, locate the Steam VR prefab folder. There we are, prefab. Locate camera rig and drag that into the hierarchy panel. Second, go to your Vive Teleporter prefab folder, drag in the nav mesh and the pointer. Now we need to outfit the Steam camera rig with the Vive Teleporter functionality. So unfurl camera rig. Let's find the 2 controllers left. Now add a component. Go to the hierarchy, the inspector tab, add a component, and search for the Steam VR track controller. Good, it's now added. Repeat that for the right. Good. Now you can close that. Go to camera head, unfurl, exposing both the eye and the ears. Select the eye. Now you want to make sure it says main camera. We can see confirm with the little window there. We now need to add a series of scripts to the camera eye. Go to your Steam, find the Vive Teleporter folder and scripts. There you go. First, drag the border render script. Now drag, okay, I do this a lot. Back, make sure the camera eye, alright, so you can see I haven't, being really slow here. I need to highlight not camera rig, but camera eye. I'm going to continue trying, and it will continue. There we go. I, Vive Teleporter. Now drag and drop. Okay. You drag it to the bottom of the panel. Nope. One more time. There you go. There. Drag and drop. Unfurl that so that you can see everything within the Vive Teleport. You notice there's a series of parameters we need to set, or relationships we need to make. Now Drag pointer to the pointer box. Origin transform. Will be the camera rig. The camera head will be the head transform. The nav mesh animator. Okay, head transform. All right, camera rig transform, camera head transform. Got that. The nav mesh animator will be nav mesh. The fade material, we forgot. We'll go back to that at the end. Go to controllers, increase that from 0 to 2. The first is the left controller that we said earlier. The second is the right controller. Good. File save. All right, now we need to take a look at the pointer. The pointer nav mesh is the nav mesh. So we've established that. File save. And last but not least, the navigation mesh. We need to now make a relationship between the nav mesh we built just earlier and the script here. I think it's fine. Update the navigation mesh. Now look at the result. It's not forming on the stair treads. So this is where I recommend that you uncheck ignore slope surfaces and then redo it. There you are. So now you can climb up on all of the stairs and landings. That's appropriate. All right, everything else is as it should be. We're going to file save, and then we'll go back and fix that the fade material. All right, so under the border, let's see right there, the fade material, we need to assign fade black. This makes as opposed to any other color as you. All right, good. File save, and that's it. You are done. Now, I do not have, so you need to test this. Now, you need to load the correct scene, and it's not, you need to add the open scene. And then you need to build and run. You're going to make a folder, or I make a folder. I don't know what others do, but I'll make a folder called build within the project folder. And then when I build the executable file for use with SteamVR and the Vive HTC, I will then copy that exe file to the desktop and then run. Okay, that's the conclusion of this tutorial.